Hello people, I am Likhita. In this section of the video, we will be listening to the guest speaking about video resume and social media. As social media is playing a key role in our lives, we'll use it in a right way. We all know that LinkedIn is speaking a lot about us more than our resume does. So let us learn more points about this and we'll make sure to implement these topics discussed in our daily lives. Thank you.
So this video intro is going to be very important for you. Take your time. You have been already doing a lot of Instagram. Good, at least TikTok is banned, so now at least you have a lot of things that. But your skills of TikTok will still help you here. So create a good, YouTube video intro about yourself. And what all you need to do? It's very simple. Be very natural. Put it on the right frame. Put it on a stand, if possible. Have the nice light. Have a professional good background at the back. Wear suitable dress that goes well with your physique, your body tone, color, everything. Do that. Talk about yourself. Introduce about yourself. Talk about the areas of interest that you have. What is the learning that you have been trying to do? What are the courses you have done? What excites you? What as a human you are? What does your school and your college have will say about you if they were ever asked? And what kind of job and nature of work you're looking in, which city? That's the way a video resume is actually presented. Keep it short, in 3 to 5 minutes of it. That's it. Keep it yourself. Sometimes, when you're wanting to impress somebody, some recruiter, send that video resume to. Let him go through it. Some great way to brand yourself. Personalized branding is where it happens. Professional network. You can do a survey with your students. You would find 99% of you may not be on LinkedIn. This is the time to get into LinkedIn. Get into this professional network. My friend, LinkedIn is the platform for you. Where I say Facebook and Instagram and all this are definitely more social. The only professional network for you that will work very well is LinkedIn. Get into it. Create a platform. Start connecting. Research where you do you can get a lot of company research there. You can do a lot of connections there. You can build your team out there. You can build your network there, and you can really, really expand and get an amazing opportunity in your life. Okay, I'll tell you a very simple example. Not only me, I got all my job offers in my life till now, and I worked with all these companies. You would be surprised out of LinkedIn. LinkedIn played so big role in my life, in major job changes that I've always done. Coming to contact forms, there are a lot of contact forms and websites where you have to go and fill this form. Put it, don't ignore it. You go to website, they'll always have a contact form. If you have filled some 50, if you have jotted some 50 companies where you want to work, go to their website, go to the contact form. There's always a section of putting your resume there, or career opportunities. Just go put your resume. It's an investment. Put it and forget it. See how all these efforts in certain time out of this will sometimes get you a great opportunity for you to reach out, and you may be definitely doing something which others have been not doing, and you get that opportunity to get recognized and called for an interview, and then you can anyway do an impressive work there. So that is something. Followers, as I said, you need to do a lot of following. Now you must, another statistic, 40%, actually up to 40% of employees may not interview at all if they don't find you on a LinkedIn profile. You see, I was talking about it right now. Now, where do hiring managers and recruiters look? Recruiters make most of their hiring through the following online network. So LinkedIn, 79% probably they will see your profile if your profile is there. Facebook, 26%. Twitter, 14% of candidates blog and all that it comes into. 93% of hiring managers will review a candidate's social profile. 56% of recruiters find their best candidate through social media. When it talks about how they scrutinize and see, have a recognition, have considered candidates based on what they find is again 55%. So what they find, what kind of likings they have in their in their network, they would see you from there. 96% of recruiters use social platforms. So